You need to get a password manager right now. I'll show you why and also recommend which one to get on your smartphone. In today's digital age, our lives are more connected than ever before. From online banking to social media, we rely on numerous online services to make our lives easier and more efficient. But with this convenience also comes a growing need for security. Let's face it, managing password can be a real headache, from forgetting them to compromising security by using simple passwords. Most people even make the mistake of using same password for their different online accounts, and this makes them more vulnerable because if an hacker is able to get hold of one of their accounts, they can simply reuse the same password for their other online accounts. You know what that means? So instead of using a password for your multiple accounts or writing your password on a sticky note, which is very risky, it is advisable you have different complex of passwords for your different online accounts and make your digital life more secure and convenient by using a password manager to safeguard them. Using weak password also puts you at risk. With data breaches becoming more common, your personal information could be exposed, leading to potential identity theft. It's time to take control of your online security. Password Manager offers features like password generation, two-factor authentication, and secure password sharing. They not only make your life easier but also add an extra layer of protection to your valuable online account. A password manager securely stores all your password in one place, encrypted and protected by a master password. This means you only need to remember one strong password, making your online life more secure, manageable, and more efficient. Here are some password managers you can use on your smartphones.